If your goal is clear, no matter the hardships, you will have the strength to overcome such hardships. Atomy business has the DNA of a big Zelkova tree. You can restore the family fortunes all by yourself. If you have a clear goal, no matter the hardships, you will have the strength to overcome such hardships. But your goals are too small. Your goals are making $2,000 a month. Since it's so small, it's easy for you to collapse because of tiny difficulties. My goodness, what is this? I'm just going to give up. It is easy to give up $2,000, but $50,000? Can you just give up $50,000? Shouldn't you make that $50,000? Of course, only a fool would think he can make $50,000 per month with a small business. Trees have sizes too. There are trees who are meant to be small, but there are also trees that are meant to grow as big as a Zelkova tree. The seed for Atomy business may be the same. The starting point may be the same. But Atomy business has the DNA of a big Zelkova tree. And that is why your goals must be big. Don't go around making $5,000 or $7,000, but do this business which can help you make $50,000 per month. There are no requirements. You don't need capital. You don't need special knowledge. And that is why anyone can try it. These are daily necessities you purchase and use in your daily life. It's cheap and good. So you buy it from Atomy, and it would be good for others to use Atomy's products because they're cheap and good. That helps your household budget, and if you introduce them to others, then an opportunity to earn an income is created. Atomy business is not hard at all. It is extremely easy. But if you think you don't have any talent, if you don't have the confidence to do Atomy, you must do Atomy. If you can't do Atomy, then what else do you think you're able to do? Tell me. How will you be able to succeed? You must succeed. Why? Because it just doesn't end as your own success. If you succeed, your wife succeeds, your husband succeeds, your children succeed, and your parents succeed too. Why? You can restore the family fortunes all by yourself. And that's why you must succeed. So in doing Atomy, you must be determined to earn $50,000 per month. Give out to people around you. And become the parent respected by your children. And become the person who can do whatever you wish to do for your grandchildren.